The Center for Cognitive Health is working hard to help patients maximize their cognitive function as they cope with Alzheimer's disease and other forms of cognitive disorders. Plus, they actively recruit for cognitive health research studies. So here to tell us more about their work is cognitive neurologist Dr. Michael Mega. Hi, doctor.
Hi.
I am so excited to talk to you about this topic because I think that whether directly or indirectly, a lot of us are touched by cognitive decline. So tell me about the Center for Cognitive Health and how you guys are addressing that issue.
Yes, well, thank you very much for the opportunity to share what we do here. As you know, all of us change in our thinking capabilities when we get older, but some of us, when we get old, wonder, is this normal aging? Or is this something else that I have to be worried about, especially if they have Alzheimer's in the family? So now the landscape is changing rapidly in terms of how we deal with treating and preventing Alzheimer's disease. In fact, we've known for the last 20 years that the plaque that causes the disease builds up in the brain about 15 to 20 years before you start having memory problems. And now we have a blood test that is able to be done instead of a PET scan that used to be done to visualize plaque in the brain. We can use these blood tests now to potentially prevent the disease from manifesting.
Wow. I love that you guys are really getting into this research. It's amazing. And you are
It
actually
is.
offering free screenings and genetic testing. Tell us why that's so important and how do we sign up?
Right. Well, the screening process is done through research studies that try and test new drugs to prevent the disease or slow or stop its manifestation if you already have symptoms. So if you go to our website or call our research line, you'll be able to get more information as well as a free memory screen over the phone to see if your memory problems are normal for your age or may be of greater concern.
Wow. Okay. And, what are some new therapies and approaches in the fight against Alzheimer's? Because I'm sure some of them aid in early detection, right? That's what we're talking about. That's really what we want.
Exactly right. So as I said, the landscape is changing. The misfolded proteins that cause all degenerative diseases, whether it be Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Lou Gehrig's disease, frontal temporal degeneration, all are cleared in the brain typically during REM sleep. So sleep problems can sometimes set us up for not doing the housekeeping, clearing those proteins. And the drugs that we now have that the FDA has not only approved last year, but are being fast-tracked by the FDA this June, are concentrating on stopping the plaque deposition in Alzheimer's disease and may be best for prevention. But at the same time, there's other drugs that stop a secondary marker that actually kills the cells called neurofibrillary tangles. And those drugs are being used in people that are already symptomatic to try and stop progression.
Wow.
Furthermore, in Parkinson's disease, we now have opportunities to try and stop progression and make people better with a nerve growth factor. So there's really quite a bit of movement in the field nowadays.
Yes, I love that. I can just tell that you are so passionate about your work. Can you tell everyone where they can go for more information, doctor?
Sure. So we have a website, the Center for Cognitive Health.com, where you can get more information. We also have a blog page there on how to stay cognitively healthy throughout the aging process, supplements that can be used, and current research that's available in the field, as well as calling the number that you'll see on the screen.
Yes, we have all that information up. Thank you so much, doctor. This is such an important topic. I really appreciate you. Now,
Thank you.
guys, it is time for a break.